All right, tech enthusiasts, today's juicy headline is all about ASML Holding. If you've been tuning in, you know ASML is a giant in the semiconductor game, owning the show with its photolithography systems that are essential for manufacturing those tiny chips that power our beloved gadgets. However, it's been a roller coaster of sorts for ASML and its investors lately, and here's the 411 on why this tech titan is making waves in the news today. First off, let's dive into the legal conundrum that's looming over ASML. Faruqi Faruqi LLP, a prestigious securities law firm, has slapped ASML with a class action lawsuit. They claim that ASML's top brass may have pulled a Houdini act with their investor communications, allegedly concealing major hiccups in the semiconductor industry, especially around supplier issues and the pace of recovery in chip sales. It's kind of like selling a Tesla with no wheels, a bit of a critical component, right? Not surprisingly, when the third quarter earnings report was released on October 15th, 2024, it didn't sprinkle joy like confetti. The company announced a 53% drop in quarterly bookings and projected their 2025 figures to fall short of expectations, sending the stock nosediving by a hefty 16.26%. Grab your popcorn, because this drama has a deadline. Investors who suffered losses exceeding $100,000 have until January 13, 2025 to step up as the lead plaintiff. Basically, lead plaintiffs hang out at the very front of this legal parade, representing everyone else who's disgruntled. Oh, but the plot thickens with some tantalizing options trading data. In a scenario fit for a Wall Street thriller, Benzinga's trusty options scanner picked up a flurry of activity around ASML's options, with high rollers making aggressive bearish and bullish plays. Translation: somebody knows something we mere mortals do not. Gamble at your own risk, folks. Let's break along those lines a bit. Out of 40 unique options trades snapped up by Benzinga, about 50% are bearish and 37% bullish, hinting at some serious mixed feelings toward ASML's immediate stock future. With projections guesstimating ASML stock to waver between 600 and 960s, it's akin to watching a soap opera, where you can never quite tell who's knocking at the villain's door with a plot twist. Now, considering ASML's role as the fairy godmother of photolithography systems, their products are crucial. Major clients like TSMC, Samsung, and Intel depend on them to ramp up those transistor counts and churn out powerhouse chips. Remember, the crux of all this commotion is rooted in a swift and accurate evaluation of customer demand, which ASML apparently flunked. In conclusion, how ASML will navigate this blend of legal challenges and market speculations, only time will tell. Until then, they're playing a high-stakes game of chess, and all eyes are on the board. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.